Keep paper towel and soap dispensers clean, stocked, and mechanically sound to protect users and maintain facility reputation. Start by establishing a regular cleaning and refill schedule that fits traffic patterns, such as twice daily in high-use restrooms and once daily in lower-use areas. Use a two-step cleaning method with a detergent wipe or spray to remove visible soil, followed by an approved disinfectant contact cleaner to kill pathogens, making sure surfaces stay visibly wet for the labeled dwell time. When refilling, remove loose debris and wipe both the interior cavity and the refill product surfaces before placing new rolls or cartridges to prevent transfer of grime. Inspect the dispensing mechanism each time you refill by cycling it several times by hand to detect jams, sticky gears, or misaligned sensors and clean or realign parts as needed. Replace consumable components on schedule and keep a small inventory of common replacement parts such as drive gears, springs, and batteries, so repairs are immediate and do not result in prolonged downtime. Train staff to document each check and any corrective action on a simple log with time, initials, and remedy so trends are visible and preventive maintenance can be adjusted. Common problems include buildup of soap residue and paper fibers causing jams, which you fix by removing the refill, soaking and wiping components with warm water and mild detergent, then drying thoroughly before reassembly. Clogged sensors or sticky buttons often result from cleaning with residues left behind or using silicone-based cleaners. Switch to water-based cleaners and ensure full removal of residues to restore proper function. Failure to refill promptly or poor inventory planning leads to empty dispensers that frustrate customers. Use predictable restocking intervals based on usage data and keep a backup supply within easy reach to avoid gaps. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors suited to restroom maintenance and minor repairs, and helps contractors list their services and find nearby work opportunities. We also host a discussion community where users and professionals share practical tips, troubleshooting steps, and recommendations for replacement parts and cleaning products.